Hi guys, and today we are on FBI Transport, and today we have a boat. Where is the sign? Yeah, I think it's USA. It's the USA boat. So you can see, it's the USA boat. USA. So where's the USA sign? No, here's the USA. And so you can see it has these little things, but they're different colors, but they're not like gray because, so these are for the hanging. Okay, you see we have water. Now we're going to let it float. Oh, cat-sized. Oh no, guys. Oh no, guys. It's sinking. It's sinking this way. I wish it could have looked. Yeah, it's sinking. So let's see. This side. Look at this side. It's all wet. Wet. Yeah, you can see it's all wet on the side. So here are the little catapults, like beam, beam, beam. And these are the cannons, like in some pirate ships. Yeah, so let's turn it. Yeah, so we could see how it's sinking. Oh no. So I like flipped into like a straight thing. Yeah, I'll help it. Now it's sinking good. Oh, sinking. So you can see how it's sinking. Like, yeah. Oh, look, guys. It's on the edge. It's on the edge if you zoom in. Yes, you can see. So it's like a half. Oh, look at this. Right here. So that was like, it's like almost on the height, like this, the height, almost the same height as the water is. So you can see it sink, but it's not sinking fully because I taped on this. So these are like thingies to make it stable. Subscribe to our channel. If you subscribe to our channel, we will do more of these stuff like that. Hope I don't drop the phone into the sink. Oh, it's sinking. It's like just stable because of these. I had to delete those parts. Yeah. So there's another Titanic video too. So it's the first one that we did. Yeah, it was yesterday. So you can see it. Oh, these don't let it do it. Next time I won't put on these. But if you comment down below, yes, we want it like this, so it will have these two thingies, I will do it. But we'll see who gets the most points. Yeah. Oh, guys. Yeah. I just make it fell. Yeah. If it was on the bottom, like on the whole entirely bottom, like there, right there, maybe it would like be stable the whole time and not sink. Yeah, I did a big mistake, guys. So you were on the FBI Transport, and now I'm going to say bye, guys. You were on sinking the USA Army ship. So bye, guys.